Welcome back to Beautyistic, where today we're talking about a product that promises to give thinning hair a fuller, healthier appearance. If you're struggling with hair that lacks volume, you know how frustrating it can be to find something that actually works. Well, I've tested out the BosleyMD Revive Color Safe Thickening Treatment, and I'm here to share the details of how it performed. This liquid foaming treatment is designed to restore visibly thinning hair using ingredients like soy to give your strands a thicker, fuller look. It's alcohol-free, which means it won't dry out your hair or scalp, making it a good option for those with more sensitive skin. It's also color safe, so if you've recently colored your hair or have highlights, you can use this without worrying about it stripping away your color. I've been using this product for a few weeks now as part of my regular hair care routine. The foam texture makes it easy to apply directly to the scalp without any mess. It's lightweight and absorbs quickly, which means there's no heavy feeling after it's applied. In terms of scent, it's fairly neutral, not too overpowering, which I appreciate, especially since some treatments can have that strong medicinal smell. During my tests, I noticed a difference in my hair's texture after a few uses. It felt thicker, and I actually noticed a bit more volume. Of course, I didn't expect drastic changes overnight, but over time, the consistency of the foam really seemed to enhance my hair's overall appearance. The product didn't weigh my hair down, which is a big plus. Sometimes thickening treatments can feel heavy, but this was lightweight enough that it didn't interfere with my styling. Now let's break it down. On the pro side, this treatment is super easy to use with its foamy consistency. It's color safe, which is essential for anyone who's colored their hair. I also love that it's alcohol-free because that tends to dry out hair and scalp over time. The formula feels light, and I really did notice that my hair felt fuller and more voluminous, even by the end of the day. On the con side, while the product does provide some visible results, I would say that you might not see dramatic thickness unless used consistently over a longer period. It's not an instant fix, so it's more of a gradual improvement. Also, the price point could be a consideration for some, especially if you're someone who's looking for immediate results. When we talk about value for money, this one is a bit tricky. It's priced higher than some drugstore alternatives, but given the formulation, soy-based, alcohol-free, and color-safe, there's a level of quality that justifies the price. If you're someone who values high-performance products that won't damage your color-treated hair, it's a solid investment. In comparison to other thickening treatments on the market, BosleyMD does stand out with its targeted approach for visibly thinning hair. While some products only promise volume, this one's focus is on restoration, and the soy ingredients seem to contribute to hair health, not just appearance. The packaging is straightforward. Nothing flashy, but it feels sturdy and premium. As for longevity, I've been using it daily, and while I'm not quite finished with the bottle yet, I do expect it to last for a good while, given how little you need for each application. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally interacted with BosleyMD's customer service, but the brand is well known for standing behind their products, so I'd expect any issues to be resolved efficiently. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are a few alternatives, like the Nioxin System 2 scalp treatment, which also works well for thinning hair and offers a more affordable price tag. It might not be as specialized as BosleyMD, but it could be worth considering if you're looking to save. To sum it up, the BosleyMD Revive Color Safe Thickening Treatment is a solid choice if you're looking for a long-term solution to thinning hair. It's not an overnight fix, but with consistent use, it does help your hair look fuller and healthier. I'd recommend it for anyone with color-treated hair who's dealing with thinning or lack of volume. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.